I was just toying with the idea of how useful it is to you guys staying far, far away from your home to connect with us, to consult with us as your founder gynecologist before you moved out of the country. You were, of course, very much in touch in person.
Yeah,
So, how does it feel and how useful the technology was? If you can just tell us.
totally. I mean, the technology was, I would say, blessing in disguise because I came to you when I was very young and I have consulted you forever. But since I moved to UK and I've been away, I did not have the luxury and the convenience to come and visit you, and I have been dependent on the country that I'm living in. But at the same time, it's been very useful for me to come down here, get the consultation when I can. But in this case, as you know, I was in UK. I did not have the luxury to come down. And when you told me there was this
Yes.
facility of video consultation, it was really, really helpful.
Right.
I could come down to you on the video call, just speak to you like I am face to face, give you my reports online, send you the PDFs, get the consultation. And it was seamless. It was
So,
seamless. It was exactly what I needed at that point in time. And I mean, this is God's blessing for us, I think, in terms of consulting.
so many of the healthcare providers, as in doctors or senior consultants, are so averse to this idea of using the technology. They say, no, no, in-person visits, touch and feel is so important. What was missing in your consultations, if you can just outline that? Or you thought that,
I think
something is better than nothing. So this was a fabulous way of getting in touch and reassuring yourself that, yes, I can move forward with the advice that I get on the video consult.
totally, totally. I mean, yes, touch and feel is good, but sometimes you just need clarity of thought. You need someone to give you an honest opinion and have a look and give you the right guidance. And that's what I wanted in this consultation. I could always come down to you, take a ticket and come down, but the idea was I was seeing the doctors in my country, and at the same time, I wanted your opinion. And in any other case, probably few years back, I could not have, but now just by sending you the e-copies and just getting to speak to you for, like, sometimes you just spoke to me for so many minutes just to kind of give me that reassurance and guidance. That's exactly what I wanted to know. What is my
Right.
next step? I wanted that clarity of thought.
And also in the further process of planning, in case you decided, no, let me visit India, let me go back to my doctor, let me get the procedure done there. Was it useful in that whole process of planning and being sure of the time that you would spend, the frame that you would use for your visit, and being ready ahead of things? How much did that help?
Oh no, definitely. I think this is the part probably I did not think of, but you're right. Because of the video consultations, I could reach out to you, not just yourself, but your staff and everyone. Reach out to them and ask them when I could come down, plan my visits, give them the date ahead.
Right.
So when I came down, I did not have that lag of time to select my appointments. Then the minute I came down, I was with you. So that whole process of trying to get that consultation date fix, timeline fix, everything was done ahead of time because I was already in touch with you as good as face to face on telephone consultation and with your team as well. So it was as good as face to face for me because everything was arranged. The team was working alongside with the technology. So it I think, like you described, it was the power of technology trying to make things easier for us. That's all.
You have really made my day. I'm super delighted to have you to share your experience, because this is what we perceive that should be the advantage. And of course, the hybrid version, the mix of, virtual and real, which is happening in many spaces in our lives. This is also one of the key things that I think all the healthcare providers and the healthcare seekers should connect,
Yeah.
enable the consultation, and move forward in their journey towards better health. Thank you so very much for
Before
being
you
with us
close,
to share your honest and valuable inputs.
just one closing thought I will give you. The country I'm living in does
Please.
not provide me this benefit at all. But in India, I think we have technologically advanced so well that it's almost like we say ourselves as developing nation, but we have gone leaps and bounds in technology, and we should keep doing that. And this is one of the benefits, right? So I'm very proud of being part of India and just being able to come down so easily. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This this is a pride moment for us indeed to hear this comment from you in the closing. So that was top level closure. Thank you so much.